Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you unboxing my PandaHall haul, and this is their page. They have a lot of product categories, includes jewelry, beads, findings, jewelry and watches, sewing and DIY crafts, beading supplies, and everything. So let's start. Now I am so happy to have received this package because I've been waiting for so long because I have my bead spinner inside, and let's do this. I am so excited to open this package, guys, and I am so happy that they arrived safe to my destination. They actually packed it really nice. They packed it well and it is completely sealed. So let's open it. And as you can see, as you can notice inside, they also packed it with bubble wrap. So you can really be sure that your package will arrive to you safely. And inside, they are also individually packed. I mean, the beads are individually packed. So they also include a list of my orders. And what's best about PandaHall is not only that they have a lot of products that you can choose, they have very affordable prices, and they also will message you or they will email you if you are sure with the product that you actually want or the product that you ordered, to make sure that you will not get the wrong item. So now I open them individually. The first one is the red one. So I bought them in a very cheap price, which if you order one of these colors, by the way guys, this is a 4mm clay bead. So this one is a 4mm, the red one is a 4mm clay beads, and they come in 10 strands, so it is very affordable for its price. Here is the yellow green, the yellow, and I have this cream color. I have also blue, pink, and I chose these light colors because I actually love lighter colors, but after I receive this package, I would definitely order the darker colors. So these are the orders that I have, and all of these is only for $40. This is the price of this haul, is for $40. So if I am going to buy them in the local store, I will be spending more than $40 for this amount of beads that I have. So I also ordered the 6mm clay beads, which is a mixed color. As you can see, it has this colorful sweet vibe that they have. So, and I also ordered this candy color, which is really sweet. I just love it. This is a thicker bead, and this, of course, the fruit clay beads, or this is a fruit beads that I have. It's so cute. They are just so cute. It's mixed of different types of fruits, and the most exciting part is the bead spinner. I had been waiting for so long. It's made of wood. It is wooden and it has a metal in the middle, so it's actually I already used it and it's very easy to use. And even if you are just beginning beader, you will easily learn how to use this clay bead spinner or this bead spinner. So this is all that I have for $40, and I really appreciate you guys for always supporting my channel and for watching all my videos and my lives as well using my bead spinner. And thank you so much guys for watching, and if you do want to visit their website, just click the description below. I'm gonna put the link to their website, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit subscribe button and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much guys, and see you next time.